Jai Shri Ram. In the Shanti Parva, Rajadharma Parva, Dharmaraja mentions the names of Sri Krishna, some 95. And he says, these are the names the rishis have used to address you, O Krishna. Vishwakarma, Vishwatma, Vishwasambhava, Vishnu, Jishnu, Hari, Krishna, Vaikuntha, Purushottama, Aditya, Prishni Garbha, one who is spoken of as having been born in different forms in the different yugas. Shuchishrava, Hrishikesha, Ghritarchi, Trichakshu, Shambhu, Vibhu, Damodara, Varaha, Agni, Brihadbhanu, Vrishana, Tarkshalakshana, Anikasaha, Purusha, Shipivishta, Urukrama, Vachishta, Ugra, Senani, Satya, Vajasanir Guha, Achyuta, Yavana Arinam, Sankriti, Vikriti, Vrisha, Kritavartma, Vrishagarbha, Vrishakapi, Sindukshidurmi, Trikaku, Tridhama, Trividachyuta, Samrat, Virat, Swarat, Surarat, Dharmada, Bhava, Bhu, Abhibhu, Krishna, Krishavartma, Swishta, Kridhisha, Gavarta, Kapila, Vamana, Yajna, Dhruva, Patanga, Jayatsena, Shikhandi, Nahusha, Babhru, Divaspriktva, Punarvasu, Subhabru, Ruksha, Rukma, Sushena. Sushena actually means one who has a great army, lovely army, which means all his attributes are his army. All the rishis also always travel along with him. Actually, Sushena in the Ramayana is the royal doctor of Ravana, who was brought by Hanuman to cure the problem with Lakshmana. And Sushena tells Hanuman to go get the Sanjeevani. Sushena was a great Ram Bhakta, but he was a Rakshas. Okay. Dundubi, Gabhastinemi, Shri Padma, Pushkara, Pushpa Dharana, Ribhu, Vibhu, Sarva Sukshma, Savitra, Ambanidhi, Brahma, Pavitra, Dhama, Dhanva, Hiranyagarbha, Swadha, Swaha, Keshava, Yoni, Pralaya, Krishna, Vishwamagra, Vishwayoni, Sharanga Chakra, Asipani. Jai Shri Ram.